Hello, my name is Vicky. I want to show you guys today how to create this succulent terrarium. This terrarium may look fully enclosed, but it actually has an opening at the top, and that's definitely a must for succulents. Here I'm starting off with some of my bigger succulents. Roots are fully intact. I am placing the tall plants in the back and kind of putting them in that type of order, like tall in the back, medium in the middle, and then the small will go in the front. So I'm just placing my plants right now, and then I'm going to add the soil. I do it this way since it gives me an idea of how the terrarium is going to look, and then once I do the soil, everything is more like cemented on and it just gets messier to take plants out. A good example is this plant. I like to bend my spoons, makes it easier to put some soil inside these type of narrow terrariums. So now add a little bit of soil to cover the roots. And then I'm going to go in with a brush, cleaning the glass and also moving the soil towards the middle. With this technique, it allows the sand to show versus the soil. Gonna add a little bit of sand, and then I'll go in with the brush again, pushing the sand down to cover the remaining soil. And now I'll be adding some rocks. These really help to support your plants. I like to add some all around. I'm gonna start working on the front of the terrarium now, adding the smaller plants. Here I have some string of pearls, just being very gentle with the roots, tucking them inside. Have this very adorable sedum here, and just being very gentle again with the roots. You can also make a hole to make space for roots, kind of like I'm doing here. Some plants just have a lot of roots and they need it. Going to now add some of my final plants. I have this beautiful aloe, and I'll be adding these sticks that I found in my yard. Just gives it a little bit more height. And of course, last we will be cleaning the glass. And this is how it looks. What do you guys think? It was honestly a lot of work, but I think it came out perfect. Let me know what you think in the comments, and also please follow us as we will be posting more videos.